I was called in to do a roof survey on this particular roof. There's some really bad workmanship on it, and I needed to do a report so that the owners of the property could take the roofers to court. Let's just go and have a look. Now, I'm up on this particular roof here. It's just been re-roofed all the way around, and the first thing I'm looking at here is the headlap which is going on, which is 80 millimeters. I've been able to lift that and have a look at what's going on, but it's a complete and utter disaster right the way through. I mean, it's difficult to know exactly where to start. It's been re-roofed. These tiles have all been taken off and it's been completely re-roofed, but if we just look at how many they've put back on which are broken, they haven't been pulled down and lined up properly. I mean, even if we start looking here, I mean, look, I mean, this is but it gets worse. I mean, it is just so bad. They've tried to put these back down as dry ridges. The old ones, I think they were probably cemented on to begin with. You know, the cracked tiles all the way along, more lead over the cracks in the tiles. None of this has been pulled down properly. Look at this one, cracked again. I mean, oh my god, I mean, it's just how they get away with it. Now, I've already been around with a drone, another cracked one just there right the way through. I mean, there's so many broken tiles on here, it's unreal. And I'm looking at what's happened with the ridge up there, and if we have a look just here as well, this is all coming apart. I mean, that dry ridge system obviously hasn't been fixed well at all. Old lead in place. Apparently they've had another roofer up here that has put this felt roof down, because before the felt roof went down, the original roofer put a glass fibre roof down and that was leaking. So, you know, this just gives you an idea of the kind of thing that is going on out here. The people have spent an awful lot of money trying to... I can't go too far over the top of this, by the way, because of the health and safety reasons, but obviously I've been all around this with a drone, so I can get a lot of access with a drone right away across this. So I've been over this side and seen it. Interesting enough, front and back isn't that bad. Just look at what's going on here. This is, I mean, that's ridiculous. You know, none of that. I mean, this is a dry ridge fixes. They've tried, but they've obviously realised that they've either underpriced it, they've done something where they've had to leave it like this, or it's just the quality of their workmanship. I really don't know. So my aim now is to have a look at the battens and the felt. So I'm going to have to lift up some tiles over there to see what's going on. It was reported that the headlap's not good, but it seems to be. I'll have to look up the angle of the tile and the manufacturer's specification for these. I think that's okay, but I really don't know where they're going to go with this. I know that the underfelt here is not in the best, hasn't been done correctly. This all should have a eaves protection system underneath here. There's no venting on this roof whatsoever, and also the this is not breathable. If we're lucky, it's vapor open, which is underneath here. But it's now really looking at the battens and see what goes on with the battens, which is my next thing to do. Now these are unbelievably heavy tiles to lift up, so I'm going to try and slide. If they fix them, which there'll be a fixing pattern on these, but to be honest with you, they might have fixed some of these because they're not really lifting that well. So we can see what's going on there, and we can see that they've used a what's that? That's about a 35mm batten there. Well, as you can see, that is appalling, isn't it? And unfortunately, they seem to have lost all their money. The roofers are non-responsive. They're not members of any federations, and it doesn't look like the customers have got any way to get things back. But they've got the roof report now, and I'm helping them go through all the details so that we can try and get this sorted out. So if you have a problem like this or you need a roof survey, please get in contact. My details are always down below. Speak soon.